What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be chilling with me, my brother, and my good friend Nick. It'll be the first time he's on here. He got the cars all cleaned up. We got the whips all nice and clean. We reinstalled the new lenses on there, so it's all nice and fresh. We replaced that, we took off the rear lip that was on here. He hated it very much. So yeah, so we are actually on our way to Malibu. Actually, first we're gonna make a stop in Marina del Rey and get some pizza. And then we're gonna be headed off to Malibu. So I'll catch you guys there. I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. What's up everybody? So we made it. We are in here in Marina. We are about to exit in about 2 minutes and I'm about to have ourselves some great pizza. Alrighty, so we made it here. Over here to Marina del Rey. Pretty chill drive, a little long. How's drive?
Too much traffic as usual.
Traffic. It's not too bad. So, what is your opinion about this pizza anyway that I like so much? It's alright. Nick,
it's not as great.
You gotta eat it when it's fresh. All pizza you gotta eat when it's fresh, but this one is really good when it's fresh, and it's still good when it's not fresh. Honestly. What? Which one?
I would put this pizza up against the Brooklyn's place in Norwalk. That's what I would say. Brooklyn's Pizza in Norwalk.
That's actually a real good spot. We gotta take him away. So, boom, my spot. I honestly think it's really good. You should definitely try it for sure.
Did you just ask him to go back in the oven?
Yeah. Okay. Damn.
Dude, explain what you just did, dog.
I just dropped my pizza on the floor. Yeah.
Damn.
Like
only this guy. I know, I saw it.
Oh.
Oh man. So as this guy gets his pizza reheated. I love this guy, dude, but he's the only one that would do stuff like this. I'm not lying. The only one that would do that. He has a reputation. How's the garlic knot so far? Good?
Mm-hmm. You know what you should do with your knots?
Same pizza.
Put some of this cheese on the garlic knots.
I do all the time. So let me tell you one time about my favorite pizza, okay? So I like the spinach. Spinach pizza is my favorite right here. The best. Sausage is good. But the crust, look at the crust. It's perfect. I'll do a first bite. We were gonna wait for Nick. I'm just gonna take a bite right now. Oh, yeah, that's good. So we'll wait for this guy and yeah. Everybody, welcome back. So we are over here in Malibu right now. We're actually about to hit up some canyons right now real quick. So we're actually going to be going Decker Canyon. We're almost there, and I'll see you guys with a little bit with some canyon shots. Alrighty, peace.
Turn left onto Glencoe Canyon Road.
Alright, so now the tight road is coming up.
Alright. Alright, this is it right here. Alright. Let's see how we do.
Rocks and stuff on the ground, you know that.
Yep. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah. Did you feel that? Alright, hang on. Next one. This is where it gets interesting. Ah, fucking tight. Dude, when you hug that turn, it's fucking, it gets you tired. 'Cause you're like, you're hugging that fucking turn.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So we are over here in Malibu. It's beautiful. We're on top of the hills over here. Let me give you a little quick scenery. Yes, there's a bunch of trees in the way, my bad, but we are above the clouds. If you can't see that, we are above them. Well, anyway, so yeah, we're over here. We're giving the cars a little rest, you know. It's a pretty warm day, honestly. It's pretty good. Car's doing great as usual. Love these tires, man. Can't go wrong with these. Our 888Rs Toyos. So we're gonna chill up here for a little bit and then head back down and probably grab some grub. How's it, Nick?
Pretty chill, pretty scary. Sorry.
He's not joking.
Wait, is that the road over there?
Because
I'm not sure. Yeah, no, I know exactly what the feeling is.
Is that where we came from? Or is that where we're going?
That's where we're going. I think we're going up there, up that way.
So it still goes up another level up there. There's another.
I might be wrong. Might be wrong. So yeah, we're gonna be here for about 5 more minutes, maybe.
Yeah.
5 more minutes and chill, and we'll catch more canyon runs. Peace.
Feel that shit hopping around?
Yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So we are here. We are pretty much done for the day. We are over here at the gas station. We just filled up on some drinks. We got a great drinks, you know, going on. This is it pretty much for today. We are going to be heading back home. I hope all of you had a great time for sure. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys back on the next one. Peace.